Hello guys, I'm here to show you. I have engine lamp on. I use my OBD scanner too to look at the fault code. The code is P220100. There is a NOx sensor. If you have symptoms like check the engine light on, reduce engine power, increase emission or exhaust smoke, pure fuel efficiency, you must check the NOx sensor. I open the bonnet. This is the engine. First of all, you must disconnect this handle and this plastic to see two of NOx sensors. The connector is here, and you can follow the cable. You see, it's down there. This is the second sensor, right here. On the bottom side, you have another connector, another sensor. I use my 22 wrench to open and to clean it. I have 3 or 4 videos with description how to open and how to clean. Just visit my videos. And for the end, when you finish cleaning process of NOx sensors, if the fault code is still there in the dashboard and you don't have OBD scanner to raise the code, just disconnect the battery about 15 seconds and the problem is solved. You're not gonna pay hundreds of dollars of euros for workshops to erase the code and clean the NOx sensor. If this was useful for you, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.